Alright, hello there you guys. I know this is a little bit of a different view, but we are going to be putting together the beauty box. And I thought I'd put this down to make it look like festive, but whatever. So first I'm going to share with you guys what I got. Went to Target. So let's begin with a box. So you're going to need some sort of box. I just decided to go with a regular standard box. You can go as big or as small as you choose. I wanted to go more medium, but you want to go ahead and start with a box of your choice. You can also use a bag. Also, I did get some like the tinsel to fill the box with, you know, just to make it festive for the holidays. And then we're going to jump into the things that I did get. So I did find this SheaMoisture trio set. It's a lotion set. Yeah, it's a lotion set. Can't go wrong with that. I got the e.l.f. Hydrating Primer. And what else was this? A mineral infused face primer on the go. And then there's like a little powder in here as well. Then I got some of these Burt's Bees Renewing Eye Mask. Also a Burt's Bee Hydration Face Mask. The Hydrating Overnight Mask by Burt's Bees. The Raw Sugar Natural Lip Balm. A SheaMoisture Intense Treatment Manuka Honey Hair Mask. And lastly, a little cute headband. Okay, so if you guys are wondering who this box is for, it is for my best friend. So I went and just picked up a few things that I think that she would like, as well as I do have some things that are on the way, but they're taking forever to get here. So I'm gonna have to, and we're seeing each other tomorrow, so I'm gonna have to just give her those later. But let's go ahead and get started. So of course you want to open up your box. Okay, make sure you guys can see. Let's zoom you in. All right. So then you're going to take your tinsel, or if you're using wrapping paper, whatever you're using, you're just going to go ahead and put it down into the box. Once you have your tinsel in your box, that's when you're going to start to place your items. So just to make this fit a little bit better, I'm gonna have to remove something out of the box. So I'm gonna actually remove this e.l.f. from the box because, and I'll just like put that in there so she knows how to use it. But just to save space, like it just makes it look a lot better, you know, when you don't have like a big old box in there. Okay, you guys, so the gift box will look something like this. Like if you were to not like put like a lid on it, maybe if you're just gonna like have it sitting out or something, you can definitely become creative. So this is what the box will look like if you guys want to become creative and box it a certain way, make things kind of like stand up in the tinsel that you have and just kind of place them strategically around to make them just, you know, look a little bit more, you know, together, or look a bit more like showy in a way. But because we are using a lid, of course, everything is going to be placed down. So you can very well just go ahead and organize your products where they are. Then you can take your lid that you have and put on the top like that, and then you have a lovely beauty box. Now I don't have anything for the top part of this box. Your girl totally forgot to pick up a bow or something, but you can definitely take some ribbon and wrap it up here, or you can take a bow and stick it on top. You can tape down the sides. You can even, I don't even know what I'm gonna do because I totally forgot about a bow, so I'm probably gonna have to just figure that out later on. But yeah, you guys, so you can kind of like decorate this. You can even like write something maybe on the top, make something, because this one's pretty plain, so you can either write something on it or whatnot. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this quick beauty box DIY. I will leave all things that I use down below and links to things down below as well. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in a later video. Bye.